One of the reasons people were waiting it out was because they were working together.
The group wants me to put it right here. Okay.
Taking turns letting each other grab a flag.
It doesn't make sense. Like, why are people being so nice to $5 million?
Eventually, you're going to have to betray each other. Someone has to go home. Someone has to go home.
And as the rounds go on and the number of flags left drop, the tension skyrockets.
They're both going. But you tripped on yourself. Are you okay?
I mean, this has got to be the most insane challenge we have ever done.
Oh my God, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Here's what the line looked like at the start of the challenge, and look at it now.
There's 179 of you left and only 100 flags.
Let's dwindle the numbers a little more. Bring out 50 flags. This is where the strategy comes